everybody? Welcome back to another video. I want to get straight into this one. We are going to a car meet and I think it's going to be a pretty good one. Let's get into the car and let's get right into it. I don't know much about this car meet. It's just a random one that I saw on Instagram and I just really want to check it out. Hopefully it's going to be a good time. Me and my fiance are going. Just waiting for her to come outside and we'll get on the road. If you guys look, your boy's at 76,000 miles. I'm almost at 80K in the baby, which is pretty cool. In the Model 3, I bought the car when I had 58,000 miles. In 6 months, I've put on 10K. So that car's sitting at, I think, 67 or 68,000 by now. But yeah. All right, boys, we made it. We got a lot of cool cars in here. My Honda. Nice little Mustang. There we go. Yeah. Damn. Someone lost the shoe. Yeah, I bet. I want to show you guys this M4 I saw earlier.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Bro, this low ass 370. This is pretty nice. Info. One day, for real, for real. This should be us, babe. Matching Supras.
I don't know.
It should be. Just have to go inside. Just check out the inside. Alright, look at this NSX, bro. Fucking clean. On the Volks. So what? Yeah, I want one. Alright, GTR. I see you. Or the Lambo. I would definitely settle for one. Jesus Christ. Next level for sure. So many cool cars here. This is not a bad turnout at all. A lot going on. Not the biggest bike guy, so I can't tell you about any of these, but pretty nice. Yeah, you're right, a lot of Corvettes. A lot of M4s too. I'm telling you. Another GTR. Nice. Imagine turning something like this into a VIP. lot. Was this the one you were talking about?
Yeah.
The Supra? Yeah.
Yeah.
So what? Yeah. Definitely got some stuff. Should I be that guy?
Don't even eat cops here.
Probably not. No. Look at this Jeep. Go ultra wide. Shout out to my boy Lambeezy. I know he misses his. Oh my god, a Type R! Bro, this shit is fire. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wonder what he's got done to it. Might be stock, might be slow as hell. See, you got TE37s. CST 37s. But what the fuck are those lug nuts? Trash ass car. Terrible. Next. So what? I know. G-Wagen. I'm gonna get one of these one day. I see I'm gonna get every car one day.
Yeah, no, here.
It's pretty cool though. Yeah. Alright, taking a break from all the chaos and the AC. I'm already sweating out my shirt. We got people walking around, just going over there everywhere. These guys are checking out this GSR swap EJ. These kids don't even have driver's license. How old are you, bro? Probably got the cleanest cars out here too. Oh god. Nah, I'm not doing all that. He said I'm not doing all that. All right, the show is still going on, but we are out. We are out. Look at this clean 11th Gen SI. And we have Old Faithful, old girl. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Good.
My eardrums are gone.
No facts. All right, let's get out of here.